Hello, can everybody hear me? Anybody there? Well, the snow has infiltrated our barn. As you can see. And the alpacas are eating. You can see most of them are snow covered. They like to be in the snow. We've gotten, I think, about 2 feet so far, and it's still snowing. So we'll go out into one of the pens and see how much snow there really is. We got lots and lots of snow out here. Alright, so Blizzard 2016 is still going on, still snowing. The alpacas don't seem to care. We do. Drifts of over 4 feet. Alright guys, Alma Park out.